Do you have a little penny worth a lot of money? In this video, I'm going to show you a coin that sold for $840,000. That's right, you heard me correctly, $840,000. Now imagine accidentally spending this coin or selling it to a pawn shop for too little amount of money. You need to understand that these coins are potentially out there, and the last thing you want to do is be getting scammed or ripped off. Knowledge is power when it comes to these coins. So why did this 1943 coin sell for $840,000? Well, here's why. So this is a 1943 D. Now that D mint mark underneath the date there describes which mint this coin was minted at. You can either have a coin minted at the Denver Mint, the Philadelphia Mint, the San Francisco Mint, or in rare occasions, the West Point Mint. This one was graded by PCGS as a mint state 64 brown. Now really quickly, the two best grading companies are either NGC or PCGS. Now grading companies are super important because they will authenticate and grade your coin, allowing collectors the security knowing that their coin's authentic and properly attributed with the condition of the coin. Next, the brown designation is given to coins just like this one. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. Now these grading companies will either designate your coin as a red brown, or a brown coin depending. Now typically speaking, red coins will be more desirable and valuable than brown coins because that is closer to the mint state condition the coin was struck in. But the main reason why this coin sold for $840,000 is because it was accidentally struck on a bronze planchet. Now what does that mean? So during the war efforts, they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned into a zinc-coated steel planchet coin, but there were a few coins that were accidentally struck on the bronze planchet for 1943. Now this is a big disclaimer. If you have one of these coins, the chances are you either have a counterfeit coin or you have a normal zinc-coated steel planchet coin that was oxidized and toned to look this way. If you want to learn more about coin handling, grading, and values, I have a completely free ebook. You can click the link down below, but you don't have to do that. Just keep doing your homework and research. But if you come across one of these coins, you need to make sure you keep it safe, don't get it damaged, and find some trustworthy people to bring it to. What I suggest is bringing it to at least 3 different coin shops. Listen to them because they're probably going to be telling you the truth. Don't give them a hard time, please. If they all 3 say that your coin is not valuable, they're more than likely telling you the truth. Understand that these are businesses. They have to operate under high overhead costs, employees to pay. They have livelihoods just like you. They are running a business, so please just listen to them. They're not trying to rip you off and scam you, especially if you get the opinion of multiple people. There's been times in the past where a coin shop hires a new employee and maybe the employee either forgot or they just don't have the knowledge yet. So please give them the benefit of the doubt, but always do your own homework and research. But don't be so stubborn in your ways where if multiple people are telling you that your coin's not valuable, that you still think it is. Long story short, come across a coin like this, don't sell it just yet because it could be worth $840,000 just like this one. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen.